Everybody, here goes another one. Today, we're checking out Suction Cup Man fights a bird. So I've already seen all the previous Suction Cup Man videos, and the last one was already like the most wild thing on the internet when it came out. So I wonder what this is gonna be like. I can only imagine this is just gonna be more just silliness and just madness. Probably gonna be like some anime fight scene or something. I don't know. Probably won't go that far, but hey, I guess we're about to see these two champions swabble, so I guess nothing more to be said. Let's get into this. Not this man with a gun. Already wild. He's climbing buildings. That's just his life's goal. This is gonna be like a silent film. Thanks. This like scream like Mario 64. Oh, I was about to say how did he not die, but I just remembered he can die. It's not in the ways that matter. I just pulled another one out of nowhere. This one can peck his way out of it. Not the cheeks. I'm sorry. I just played like inside. I just played Spider-Man on earlier today just to play it. Not today. I think it was like last night. This just reminds me of like what it looks like when you freaking knock bad guys off the building, bro. Like he That's just what it reminds me like when they hit the side of the buildings. Like it's just stupid. This man did not just suck the. This man. This man. This man wanted this bird dead. Oh. The 3D model breaking. Not the impact frame. The crowbar, dang. How did that not kill him? So stupid. Nothing moving the. Mr. Business Guy can never catch a break. Good lord. I knew this was about to be some stupid fight. It was still a lot of fun to watch anyway, so. Oh, this is hilarious. But anyway, that was it for this one. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. God bless.